This is the foyer entrance into the barn. This is the 3-bed barn, and you'll see that there's plenty of space to hang coats. The 3-bed can sleep 6 people, and this one is, as you can see, wait for this, dog friendly. Hey dog. And then we have cupboards with bits and bobs in. I'll show you those. So they provide lots of blankets and dog food bowls. Empty cupboard to put shoes in. This is a washing machine. There isn't a dryer, but they do provide you with a airer. And then in this cupboard is ironing board, vacuum cleaner should you want it, and an iron. Hallway mirror. Hello. And then through to here we have bedroom 1, which is twin room. There's only 2 of us staying, so we're using this as the changing room. And they all have a bit of wardrobe space, televisions. Let's go on round. Bedroom number 2, which is the master bedroom, has a big double bed in it, and then the ensuite with the shower in it, overlooking the canal on the back. Lovely, super comfy bed, very nice. Hello dog, again. You on the tour with me? And then we have over here family-sized bathroom with a bath, which is a lovely little treat. And then the 3rd bedroom, another double room. Again, full-length mirror, TV, nice views, and a bit of cupboard space. Let's go into the living area. Incoming. Hello dog. Here we have going back through into the lounge area, which leads out towards the lake, and then plenty of seating, enough for 6 people, very comfy. Huge TV, so we've pulled back the sofa here so we're not too close. And then my glamorous assistant. There we go. Lovely. I'll show you the outside in a moment. Lovely dining area with plenty of room for 6 people, and dog area and kitchen with everything. Breakfast bar, a few bits of seating, and then the kitchen area has everything you could possibly need, including a wine cooler fridge. Just going to open a few cupboards so you can see that they provide everything you could possibly need. More utensils, plenty of storage for your bits and bobs from other things. Washing up area. There's a dishwasher in here. Yeah, I think this is the dishwasher. There we go. Kettle, a few bits of sugar, tea and coffee. Coffee machine, toaster, oven, which I think doubles as a microwave. Oh, there's a microwave as well. And then all the plates and everything, cups. Same as the 2-bed we stayed in, that had everything here. And this one has got a huge freezer. So in the summer you could have plenty of ice cream and lollies in there. And then in the fridge, this big fridge. Okay, not sponsored by Diet Coke. Here we are. Plenty of facilities in this lovely 3-bed barn.